be going to Yarraman for a ride. We just got the 450 rebuilt, so pretty happy about that. But yeah, the 250 is also in pieces, so yeah, it's not blown up, so don't worry. It's just needs a rebuild, you know. It's had over 150 hours, so you get that sometimes. Found out as well, using a spray, the oil filter spray isn't good for the bike. It actually made the cylinder head really shiny, which is not what you want. You want those marks on it to show that it's sealing properly with the oil. And the valves should themselves on my 250. The 450 is fine, we were pretty lucky with it. But yeah, we just found out the hard way. But you know, it's better to find out now rather than later. And yeah, no, it'll be pretty exciting for today. And yeah, no, stay tuned for the rest. yeah, had a pretty good time on the 450. It's a bit stiff for me, so it's just always giving me arm pump. Around like third lap, that's when it starts to give way for arm pump. But other than that, it's actually a good bike. And yeah, maybe the year after, next year, we'll move up to a 450. We'll see how we go. We might not, might stay on the 250 for a bit, because in enduro you don't really need all that power. But yeah, right now Dad's just riding, can't really see him, but he's out there. And yeah, no, he's just doing his corners and things like that. And yeah, just for me, I needed to get some ride time in. And yeah, just wanted to go fast as well. But overall, the track's really good. It's pretty hot today, so it's really dry and dusty. And yeah, no, it's pretty hard actually. I didn't realize how hard pack is until you ride it when it's hot. But yeah, no, that'll be the end of it for today. I just made this video just for like a quick off-season preview. And yeah, we'll have more to come, and maybe later on we'll go to Nanango Next Level Ranch, which is just near my house. So yeah, that'll be exciting, and yeah, stay tuned for more.